You're managing finances with Xero, but growing with HubSpot. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At MESA, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when a new contact is added in Xero, a matching record is automatically created in HubSpot. Or, every time an invoice is created in Xero, HubSpot logs that as a deal so your revenue pipeline stays current. Or even, the moment a payment clears in Xero, the corresponding HubSpot deal is automatically marked as closed won. MESA has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between Xero and HubSpot, make it happen with MESA. Get started today for free.